Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
A. To find the slope of the tangent line at t equals 4, calculate the derivative dy dx equals dy dt over dx dt. Equals natural log of 2 plus 4 squared over square root of 1 plus 4 squared equals natural log 18 over root 17 or 0.701. B. Of dx dt squared plus dy dt squared, giving v of 4 equals square root of 17 plus natural log 18 squared, or 5.035. In brackets, differentiating the velocity components with respect to t, we find x double prime of t equals t over square root of 1 plus t squared, and y double prime. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sophie. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.